Jiangsu Jitri Intelligent Manufacturing Technology Institute Company Limited, founded in 2016, is a pioneer in the field of intelligent robots for human-robot collaboration and a national-level specialized, sophisticated, unique, and innovative little giant enterprise. Relying on a top-tier R&D team and adhering to the philosophy of customer-oriented innovation, we focus on innovative application scenarios of collaborative robots and autonomous mobile vehicles across industrial manufacturing, life services, and other sectors. Particularly in industrial manufacturing, we have launched a smart portable welding robot with powerful welding capabilities that frees operators' hands. Centered on Jitri Intelligent Manufacturing CL Series collaborative robots, it is built on technologies such as drag and drop teaching, 3D vision, and embodied intelligence. Equipped with independently developed welding process packages and expert knowledge systems, it offers diverse welding processes including straight welding, circular welding, weaving welding, and multi-layer multi-pass welding. The system can intelligently match welding process plans based on base metal materials and welding types. With foolproof operation, the robot is simple and easy to use. Even ordinary workers can quickly become skilled welders. In 2025, we compiled the Blue Book of Intelligent Welding Robots. From drag and drop teaching and teach-free 3D vision technology to embodied intelligence, Jitri Intelligent Manufacturing has been continuously deepening its expertise and advancing in the field of welding robot technology. We firmly believe that technology-serving industries should always focus on making welding simpler and more autonomous. Through continuous technological breakthroughs, we lower operational thresholds, improve efficiency and quality, promote intelligent welding to empower a wide range of industries, and inject core momentum into the intelligent upgrading of the manufacturing sector.